Hey peeps, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the method that I used to curl this hair. Well, not really me, it was my sister. Y'all know I always tell y'all she's a licensed cosmetologist, and for some reason she just decided to curl my wig one day. So I really liked it, and we're gonna have her curl the hair with the exact method that she used because she got real detailed, y'all, and I tried to do it and it didn't work. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. This is not gonna be a video where I lay the lace. Like, this is just a curling video. So if you wanna see the lace laid, check out another video. Make sure you pump the brakes, period pool, and subscribe to your girl. Make sure you thumbs up this video and comment down below and let us know if you like how the curls came out and any other methods that we can use. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So here's the bub, y'all. She's about to do this for us. And I'm about to be on my phone. For once, I could be on my phone while I'm getting everything did and done and did up. But what were you saying? What are you saying over there?
That was awful.
Girl, you ain't hear from me. Audie. Audie.
Sorry. I know your mouth was meant to be open.
It's not even about it being open. This is expensive lip gloss. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills.
You don't want to be $18 lip gloss. Alright, folks. So, with the curl that I did on her, the key is you have to twist while you're wrapping it around. So, with her hair, I found that it was easier if I did the curl lower on the hair and then went straight back up and did the curl on the top, because it wasn't holding when I wrapped it around, just like from the base to the tip. So what I was doing was, you put the curling iron there, you wrap it, twist your hand, wrap it, twist your hand, wrap it. I don't know if y'all can see that or if that makes sense, but that's what I'm doing. The first time that I did this, I think I took really small sections for 0 reasons, because I don't think it made a difference. Sometimes, like, if you're doing this on your natural hair, it might make a difference in like the longevity of it, but I don't think that that's the case with this here piece she's got in her head. I'm also, with this type of curl, doing it all in one direction. You don't need to be alternating. You could, but it's not necessary. It's unnecessary. The other thing is once you curl it, don't mess with it. Just let it sit there. Even if you don't like it, like, this one's not my favorite, but just let it sit there. You can fix it or do touch-ups later. If you touch it, it's gonna get out of control. You'll be doing way too much the whole time.
Ever since I left the city, all I could only let a thing. Ever since I left the city, all I could only let a thing. Ever since I left the city, all I could only let a thing. Ever since I left the city, all I could only let a thing. Ever since I left the city, all I could only let a thing. Ever since I left the city, all I could only, I could only, all I blame, all I blame, all I blame. All I blame, all I blame, all I blame. Call me on my cell phone. All I blame, late night when you need my love. You used to call me on my cell phone. All I blame, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. All I blame, late night when you need my love. And I know since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ever since I left the city, my love, call me on my cell phone. Ever since I left the city, my love, and I know in the hell I play, but I could only mean one thing. And I know in the hell I play, I could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on your cell phone. Ever since I left the city, my love, call me on your cell phone. Ever since I left the city, my love, and I know when the hell I blink, I could only mean one thing. And I know when the hell I blink, that could only mean one thing. Call me on your line. All I blame, 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 all I blame.
Hey peeps, so the hair is done. Isn't it so cute? And it's so like big and fluffy. I'm giving kind of like a whole nother Tiana Taylor vibe, really. If y'all watched my WAP chit chat video, then y'all know I was giving Tiana Taylor vibes, but more the crinkled look. But this is her like big, like two-strand twist type of look, and this is not necessarily what I was going for. So we did the same exact method that we did before. So the method is what I wanted to show you guys, but the curls did come out different. I'll insert a picture right here of a picture from my Instagram where we did the curls the first time, and make sure you follow your girl on the gram. It's AmberCharmayne on everything. And here is the picture right here, so you guys can see like the difference in the curls. And I'm pretty sure it's just because my sister did these curls bigger, so they came out different. But she took a lot of time the first time that she curled it. And the thing is that what you see here is the curls actually like dropped, like they fell. And this hair can't really hold a curl. Like definitely 100% you have to put like a lot of hairspray in here. And even when you put a lot of hairspray, because one time I put a lot of hairspray, mind you, I did go to a party, but still that amount of hairspray, party or not, should hold. This hair cannot hold a curl for real. But there's no hairspray in it right now. We just got done, and this is the result of that curling method. And this wig is by MyFirstWig. You guys have seen this on my channel so many times. I think before this video is going to be my wash video, so you'll see the video in here. I've done a revamping of this wig. I've shown you guys how I mold it and everything. This is the same wig that I've had since graduation 2016 spring. And I mean, doesn't this look good to be that old, 4 years old? I'm going to put all the information on the screen about this wig and down below in the description, so make sure you check that wig out. This is a great quality wig, so you will pay the price for a great wig, but you will also get your money's worth. how long have I had this wig? You can go back down my videos on this channel and see how long I've had this wig. So I really do recommend it. Once again, this is my first wig and it's bomb. So I hope that you guys like this video and you try out this method. Let me know how this method goes for you. If you try this method and you follow me on the gram, make sure you tag your girl and I will repost you. And that's everything that I wanted to let you guys see and know today. I really love this. Let me know how you feel. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video with somebody else that would enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.